What is up, my slash people? This is Shank. Welcome back to this channel. Title देख लिया ना? Cheapest items I got, which are 10 times value their money. I mean that which I use a lot, even though irrespective of their price point. From their respective category, the cheapest I own, and it might be the case for you as well, or maybe not. The first and foremost option in terms of the accessories, the chain. This particular chain with this square pendant, I got couple of them actually. Let me show you the box as well. I was using this a lot, one in the silver color and one in this color. Two of them costed me 100 rupees. Yes, both of them cost me just 100 rupees. These are the cheapest accessories, and also the quality is decent. It's not like a roadside option. It is like good enough for this price point. I used it maybe like 4 to 5 times. I don't see any color damage or anything as such, but yes, it would happen with time. Possible hai to I will keep the link in the description. And also when it comes to the accessory, the second accessory is this watch, which recently I unboxed. This is the Casio AQ230, and again this one, this is hardly 2300 rupees, and during the recent sale it was around 1695 or 1700. It gives that vintage vibes, and you can customize the length of this particular chain, I mean according to your wrist size, and also the white classy dial with the silver markings, and you do have the digital as well as the analog. So the next option, this is not something which is a fashion accessory or anything as such, but this is a very useful option. This is a 2-in-1. Generally हम लोग mobile phones clean करना मतलब how we will clean for the mobile phones. We need a microfiber cloth to clean the mobile phone, and then you need a spray. So this is 2-in-1, just, and it does have a case as well. Just barely I need to spray here and then use this as well just to wipe it. Simple. Hardly cost maybe 120 or 130. You can argue that 120, 130 mein you get a complete set when it comes to the microfiber cloth and 100 ml or maybe 75 ml of liquid. But this is super easy solution. One thing I am very skeptical is that once this particular cleaning microfiber gets dirty, what to do? Next option it is just 20 rupees. Yes, this is the Yardley Royal Pocket Perfume. It costs 20 rupees. I like to take this everywhere I go, even though I use this mostly at home. At home, if I want to use my Tom Ford or maybe the Hugo Boss or maybe the Dior, that would be too much to use at home. That would not be appropriate and also costly bhi hai na. So intlo vadesta ayipotayi. But if I have to just use one perfume at home just to have that some sort of freshness after bath, after applying moisturizer and everything, but it should not be strong, it should not be too light as well. Something very moderate, and it gives the freshness for the half an hour or 1 hour, not anything carrying forward for the day. That's why I use this option, and this is my third or fourth I think refill option that I got. That's how much I use, and this particular royal option, it is good, not the other options. It gives the freshness feeling and slightly flowery smell is there, but mostly the fresh smell. I love this. Mostly it smells like a Yardley powder. In case if we used one, it's not that different. It is the same but in a perfume format. The next option, the Lint Roller. Recently I got this one as well, the lint brush. Just you can use it just like this to just make sure that you do not have any lint, particularly for the darker fabrics like a black trouser or something like that. You really can feel the lint. The lint makes them look dirty. With time it's going to damage the fabric as well. Compared to this brush, which costs 149, and this one is a lint roller which costs just 99 rupees. I would suggest go with the lint roller, because for the lint roller, once you are done with that, you can just peel off just like this. You can just peel off, and you can again use the lint roller just to make sure that all the lint is gone, and just you can repeat it once it becomes dirty. But for this one, again, you need to have a microfiber cloth and just clean all the lint. It's inefficient and also 50 rupees more. So I would suggest go with a lint roller and have at least one. The other option, which is again 30 rupees or maybe 25 rupees, is this magic eraser. Yes, I use this for actually cleaning my white sneakers on the go. Just have to dip it in the water and just clean it. Any white surface or any surface for that matter, it cleans really well. These are not super long lasting. Magic erasers में 2500 का options भी होता है. This is a basic option, means 1 or 2 times use करने के लिए ठीक है, not more than that. But again, this I use a lot whenever I'm just going just for a quick clean of a sneaker, or for that matter any of that white options or many of the normal tables or any of the other options. This is a lifesaver. And talking about the next option which I have, which is also like 10 times more value for money than what I paid, is this fabric belt or a canvas belt, whatever you can call it as, with this clasp mechanism. This is not a clasp mechanism, but something which you don't need any big buckle with the holes and everything, because whatever voices might be, you can just use this particular option. Just you have to make sure that this goes through this one of the option and then goes the other way around, just to pull it, so it can be customized for any of the waist size. That's why I love, and also the quality is great with this option, particularly in case if you are not tucking in. Fabric belts are the easiest to wear because one, it's just low profile, it matches with most of the colors, and also when it is not thick, right, so it will not be seen outside. For example, if you are using a belt with a bigger buckle, it would be shown. In case if you are just wearing a t-shirt just without tucking in, it would show for sure the markings and everything. But with this one, it's very low profile, and again as I mentioned, no need to actually punch a hole based on your waist size, and also easy to maintain and easy on pocket as well. With all my cargo pants, particularly with the G-Star cargo pants, as they need a belt, even though I go one size down, this is a lifesaver again. Yeah, for 150 or 160 rupees, I got almost worth value of 1000 rupees, and still it's going strong. And that's it. These are the options which I believe, at least for me, 10 times worth the value of money I paid for those items. Having said that, आपको वीडियो पसंद आ गया नहीं आ गया, these kind of videos आपको चाहिए नहीं चाहिए, this is not a fashion forward video, as थोड़ा सा accessories का options है, and also in terms of maintaining your clothes, these are gonna help or blend in the other options or other kind of videos which I do on my channel. आपको वीडियो पसंद आ गया नहीं आ गया, कमेंट सेक्शन में जापंडी, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content like this. That's it from me. See you next time.